How do you say hi in Portuguese? The word hi in Portuguese is olá, olá. For example, olá, tudo bem? Olá, tudo bem? Hi, how are you? Olá, chamo-me Ana. Olá, chamo-me Ana. Hi, my name is Anna. Olá a todos. Olá a todos. Hi, everyone. Olá is a standard greeting and works in both formal and informal situations. You might also hear the word oi in Brazilian Portuguese, but olá is more common in Portugal. Olá, bom dia. Olá, bom dia. Hi, good morning. Olá, Pedro. Como estás? Olá, Pedro. Como estás? Hi, Pedro. How are you? Olá, prazer em conhecê-lo. Olá, prazer em conhecê-lo. Hi, nice to meet you. So if you want to say hi in Portuguese, you can say olá. And if you want to learn to speak Portuguese, you can get my course 3-Minute Portuguese at www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Obrigado!